For some students, a career path starts with discovering something they love learning about. At PD Jackson-Olin High School, the Academy of Health Sciences gives students a chance to turn that interest into hands-on experience.
And then away from your body. So you remove it, at least you can take it, and where is it going? Correct.
When I first got into this program, I was in foundations, and it made me realize that I love to learn about the body and I love to learn about different functions.
Since then, London has found a way to connect what she's learning to the career she wants to pursue.
After high school, I want to be a medical malpractice lawyer. And since I'm in here and I love debate, I might as well want to stay and to learn about the body. So when my clients in the future come to me, I'd be able to understand it and actually physically say, this is right or this is wrong.
For Anis Gonzalez, the program is helping her build skills toward her goal of becoming a nurse.
What originally brought me to this program was my love for healthcare. I've always wanted to be a nurse.
She says practicing those skills has also helped her become more confident.
Ms. McMillan has taught us a lot of stuff, and we were able to practice it over and over again if we didn't get it at the first time. So now I'm pretty confident on my skills.
Instructor Dr. McMillan says that hands-on experience is an important part of preparing students for what's ahead.
Most times students are in a learning environment where it's more so theory-based and they don't get a lot of hands-on experience. So that becomes kind of like the drawing point where it draws them in because they get the hands-on. But more importantly is they're going to end up going to clinical their senior year.
Students are also introduced to the many career paths available in healthcare.
Most times students equate healthcare with physicians and nurses. And when the students come in, a lot of times they learn that there are more careers in healthcare.
Through the program, students can gain clinical experience and earn an entry-level credential before they leave high school.
And one of the big things that they come back and say is, can you give me some form of documentation that shows that I've had some clinical experience? And so that's something that they get here with being in the Academy of Health Sciences because they do have that clinical experience.
Those partnerships give students opportunities to step outside the classroom and gain real-world exposure before they graduate.
The Academy of Health Science partners students with industry partners like UAB Medicine, Lawson State Community College, various local medical, dental, veterinary clinics, and now we're exploring a partnership with Jefferson County Health Department to form a youth advisory board.
At Jackson-Olin, the Academy of Health Sciences is helping students turn their interest into skills and possibilities for their future. It's another way Birmingham City Schools is opening doors for students to build a future they want. Shanti Rodriguez, BCS Media.